Now, while we're letting our cutting harden off for a couple hours, I want to go over the situation for the water. Now, yes, you can use prop drops. Prop drops are kind of like a fertilizer for the water to help promote root growth, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I don't use them. All I do is simply use tap water. Tap water. Let me show you the results of some of my other options of Monsteras that I've propagated in tap water. Let me show you. I bring you my Monstera albo. Now, as you see, she's been propped in water, and I want to show you guys. Look at this root system. All I did was simply chop, throw her in a glass full of tap water, put her in, and you see the growth. You see the growth. Now look, I'm gonna show you guys also. Look at this auxiliary bud. You guys see this auxiliary bud pushing out its first leaf? After all these established roots, the auxiliary bud will push out its first leaf. Now you're probably like, okay, what would the first leaf look like coming out of water? Let me show you. Boom! Now, you see the leaves are coming out from the established root system. Now we have the first leaf, right, from straight tap water, and now we have another leaf emerging. Look at that. Another leaf is emerging, and here's another tip you guys I do. I don't change the water. All I simply do is refill it. I just top it off. I don't change it at all. If you guys are like, damn, how often do I change the water? How much water should I put? Listen, as the water evaporates, refill it up. As long as you have a good lighting situation, I'm showing you guys the proof. I'm showing you guys thriving like no other. Look at this variegation too. Thriving like no other. So this is the proof of what's gonna happen with our cutting. But now what's gonna happen is, as this root system becomes established, as more of these leaves pop out, guess what we're gonna do next? We're gonna transfer into soil. Now if you're probably like, Jason, what does transferring to soil look like? I got you. Bam! So as you see, this was a propagation that I propped in water, that I transferred it to soil, and you see the leaf is coming out just like so.